All right, picking up Sam. We're about to go build his engine. There he is right there. He's ready to go ripping. All right, so we are over here at the house. We unloaded. I got Sam cleaning the cylinders here with transmission fluid. And then we're gonna start and put our piston rings in. Well, they're already gapped. These are just original. We're just dropping it back in. It had an issue with timing components and jumping timing. It had a couple broken valves, so we did all new valves, a couple new seats, and got it all good now. So we're just cleaning it up. He's learning as he goes here, and we'll be making some horsepower in his MR2.
Don't dig into it. Wait, why is that off?
It's upside down, backwards. Or you got the wrong gasket. More better?
Yeah, I was gonna say it shouldn't be the wrong gasket. I got this for accurate parts.
All good. All good. See how you couldn't put it down there now that the gasket's on?
Yeah.
See, that's the oil drain. See how it's got that little lip?
Yeah.
So the oil drains down. Glorious. So we got the 1, 2, 3, 4 rods in. It's only a 4-cylinder. We got the old bearings in. We're doing our last 90 degrees on our last tube right now. And then we're gonna turn it over and see how good she cranks over. Good thing I'm looking over this engine build here. No one ever tightened these 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Tonight's the night. We are KSWAPing an MR2.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Again? See what it does?
Yeah.
Give it some throttle.
Okay.
Alright, there you are.
Hell yeah.
Get it together. Go on dinner. Figure it out. Get it running.
You said get it running.
Oh yeah, get it. Happy yet?
Oh, I'm happy. Trust me.
For not even having it tuned, I just threw a quick thing on it. Ran pretty good.
Yeah. Now why do you not fit?
Yeah, but I don't know what we're gonna do about the ECU. We might have to take the K-Pro out and see if the solder joints are broke. That's what it seems like. Fix the solder joints. No big deal.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
So straight Al Franco the third in the flesh.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Better? Are they warm? Are they warm? They were ice cold before. About to take our first ride around the block in the old beater here. It is not ready. I did torque the rear wheels.
Yeah.
I don't know about the fronts. They got some weird lug nuts going on right now.
I know.
But hopefully they're tight.
They should be.
We bled the clutch.
Sam's
It's on an old Frank tune, and here we are. It's a little smoky, but it's probably the turbo. But let's go. Hopefully the brakes work. These seats need to go to the junkyard.
Yeah.
They're like some eBay things.
Can't even put the windows.
Talk to us through that thing. Seatbelt.
Right.
Is there a seatbelt?
You want this harness?
No, but is there a seatbelt or no?
No.
Okay, all right.
The harness is.
We're just going around the block. Just don't be reckless.
I'm not. Oh god. Oh, the throttle's not hooked up.
Whatever you said, we got to do the other one. Yeah, look, it's cracked.
It's leaking out
The
here.
plastic. Yeah, see. Okay. That's all right now, though. That's why we do these tests. No, but if you floor it,
Yeah, I can hook
see,
the plastic.
it's cracked. It's
supposed to go in
missing.
here.
No, look on the other side. It's hot.
Sorry.
But look, you can definitely see it. Half the thing's cracked. See? See the front half's cracked?
Yeah, I shoved it in.
Right here.
Yeah,
This piece is missing.
Yeah.
So it popped out because of that.
Will it pop
So we
out
need to put it in
again?
the other one. I drive barefoot when I have to. All right, you gotta make sure it's in El Nutrio. That's the scary part. Oh, I hit the button. It's in neutral. You feel how it's tight? It shouldn't be like that. It's a stock transmission. Ready?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Was it because of the cable? The pedal was.
It's good now, but
Hold on, let me check the pedal inside the car.
it should be up. It's my neighborhood. What are you worried about?
Me?
Turn the key. Turn the key.
I'm not trying to get you in trouble. I'm so confused.
It might be pulling tension on it. It's not close all the way. See how the throttle cable moved?
Yeah.
Try to. Yeah, see. The throttle cable is the issue. We don't have a spot where it actually works yet. All right, here we go. It's a different night. We're gonna try to take the MR2 for a ride. We have a throttle cable hooked up, somewhat. Should work to go 5 mile an hour down the street without license plates and seatbelts. So let's see if she even starts. You gotta go behind the seat to start her. Don't forget, guys. Got the key on.
It will be when you put power.
We got no fuel pump.
I didn't turn it on yet.
Oh, hook that thing up. What you hook?
I didn't turn it
Oh.
on. Pressure's good.
Gauges say 2 different things.
Really?
Yeah. Not in gear, right?
Yeah.
Here we go, Sam's first drive.
The brakes are sketchy as hell.
Oh yeah, we're not going.
But
Don't be going too fast.
no, I'll probably coast it.
Don't wreck. Oh, popped the wheelie already. Holy crap. Your head sticks out the roof.
What?
Your head comes out the roof. You can't use those seats. You gotta get lowered a
I
lot.
gotta get lower ones. I can't believe this thing's actually
Try
driving.
fourth gear. It's all over the place.
This thing, the brakes are so sketchy. What is that noise?
Which part? The vibration?
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably your line hitting the ground still. It's probably the AC line scraping the ground. And the roof. The T-top.
The brakes are sketchy.
No, we'll turn around if you want or go around the block. Whatever you want to do. That is your fuel pump making that noise.
Oh, okay. I'll probably drag it that line.
Yeah,
I
like, you
got-
see, I think I bent it up. No, you ain't got no lights. You don't have brake lights.
Yeah. Then we're coming.
No. house, do a burnout in your driveway.
Yeah, right.
Alright, you're getting a little far away.
I know, I'm going back.
Oh, we lost it. We lost our lights. Battery's dead. Hurry up. Alright, we're back. We're back live once again. Oh, I got started. Why you gotta remind me?
Sorry.
I gotta start the car from all the way back here. Hold on. I don't got much battery left.
I'm going back.
Oh, this thing feels like it's gonna pop a wheelie. I wish we knew what the air fuel was so we could give it a little throttle. That turbo lit though. That made it slower actually. We floored it. Beep beep. We got no power. Our lights are so dim. Smooth though, kind of shifts smooth. There's no like drivetrain rattle or anything. Yeah. It feels smooth. Like it's instant. He's all happy, he's driving it. We have no license plates. Hold on, we got cars looking at. Oh, we popped the wheelie. We got no license plate, no lights. They're slowly dying on us. No tune, no seatbelt. Shifter is falling apart. Oh, and it keeps popping wheelies. How's it feel?
It's insane. It's everything I imagined. It's everything I imagined.
Oh,
I gave it a little blip, but it's okay.
It's only a rod hanging out. That's what I'm saying.
I was mainly worried about.
Everything's smooth.
I gotta get a new turbo. Backside.
Oh, more than just that. But
I know. It's just, everybody says
I don't see any
you know.
anything major. Do you?
No.
Any major leaks?
No. Just I gotta get the brakes.
They're that bad?
Oh, they're bad, Frankie. They're the floor.
Oh, we never bled them.
Yeah, they're the floor. Like that's why I didn't go. Like I stayed between 2 and 3.
It looks the same as when we left.
Yeah.
Freaking cat screaming.
I woke up in the street. Usually I put like a 64-gallon fuel cell.
This wire is.
Four. Oh yeah, but we're gonna have to run two to the ECU, so don't get too carried away.
Okay.
We need the actual signal. Got the whole squad tonight. Baby girl, what you doing? It's Honda night. Hondita night. You want me to start the car up so it shoots on you? No, probably not.